Okay, hello my dears. This is question number 2 of the same exercise 11.3. Let's start the question. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter, 48 and 24 centimeter. Suitcase is in the shape of cuboid only, quite like this in shape. So this is a dimension of a cuboid, length, breadth and height, is to be covered with the tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase? Now you need to make a cover of suitcase by using tarpaulin. A tarpaulin breadth is given. Tarpaulin is a kind of material used in the tent which by which you can make the cover of the suitcase also. It is in the shape of rectangle, like this. So this is a cloth. So the wide is fixed. Wide means this part is fixed. What is the wide? It is given 96 centimeter. Now what should be the length? Question is asking you that to cover the suitcase, but not only one. How many suitcase will be there? 100 suitcase. So you need to find the area of 100 suitcase so that we can get the length of the required tarpaulin. How many cloth is required, isn't it? What is the size of the suitcase? The same size of cloth is required. So that's why you have to find the total surface area of 100 suitcase. Okay, let's start with the single suitcase first. Given measure of a suitcase, length, breadth and height is given. Now the thing is total surface area of suitcase. This is for a suitcase, that means for one suitcase. So this is the formula as we have already discussed in question number 1. So let us replace the values length, breadth, height and length. I have replaced the value, multiply it and add it. Then you will multiply with 2 and finally we got the area of a suitcase. The total surface area of one suitcase is given. We got is 13,824. Now you need to find the area of 100 suitcase. Multiply with 100. This is the area of one suitcase. When you have to find the area of 100 suitcase, we will multiply with 100. So we get here 13,82,400. Now what is our next work is area of a required tarpaulin. How much tarpaulin you required is equal to total surface area of 100 suitcase. I already told you. So what is the area of a total area of a suitcase? That much tarpaulin we required, isn't it? That's why I have written area of a tarpaulin required is equal to total surface area of 100 suitcase. So tarpaulin is in the shape of rectangle. I told you tarpaulin is like this. But what is the length we don't know. Breadth is already given. Okay. So this is rectangle shape. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. That's why in place of area of tarpaulin I have written here length into breadth, L into B. So total surface area of 100 suitcase we have already got here 13,82,400. Okay. Now let us replace this breadth, which is also known as wide. So in place of breadth I am writing here 96 centimeter, that is the wide of the tarpaulin. L into 96 is equals to 13,82,400. So this is multiply over here. So 96 is with L, but it goes down here in the denominator. Now you need to reduce 12 8s are and 12 1,15,200 are this much. You can reduce it, I know that, isn't it? So after that this is remaining again 8 1s are 8 and 8 14,400 are this much. So finally now this is in centimeter, but if you see here question is asking you to find the answer in meter. That's why when you have to convert centimeter into meter, divide with 100. So after dividing, 2 zeros are reduced. So what is left? 144 meter. So this is the required length of tarpaulin. Okay. This is very easy, but you need to understand. Those who have not understood, please go through this video for twice and thrice, then you'll understand. Okay, let's move to the next question. That is question number 3.